Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 cordless bag sewing machine. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Cordless Bag Sewing Machine. The electric sewing machine portable automatic packaging machine is a versatile and efficient tool for agriculture and textile industries. Designed for woven bag sealing, it offers smooth, fast, and reliable stitching, reducing manual labor significantly. Its portable design allows easy handling and on-site use, while the automatic operation ensures consistent quality and durability. Ideal for high-volume packaging tasks, it improves productivity and efficiency. Robust, user-friendly, and low-maintenance, this machine is a practical investment for anyone needing fast, professional bag sealing in industrial or agricultural settings. Number 4. Cordless Bag Sewing Machine. The 220V110V new sewing machine portable packer is a versatile and reliable tool for outdoor and industrial use. Its integrated wireless lithium battery ensures cordless operation, making it perfect for packaging sacks in any location. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry and handle, while its automatic secant function delivers fast, precise stitching every time. Ideal for agriculture, textiles, and packaging industries, this portable sewing machine combines efficiency, durability, and convenience, significantly improving productivity for on-the-go tasks. Number 3. Cordless Bag Sewing Machine. The brushless high-speed bag sewing machine is a powerful and convenient tool for outdoor and industrial use. Cordless and compatible with Makita 18V batteries, battery not included, it offers high-speed, efficient sewing for sacks, bags, and packaging materials. Its brushless motor ensures durability, low maintenance, and long-lasting performance. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for fieldwork or large-scale packing tasks. Easy to operate and highly reliable, this automatic secant sack packer significantly boosts productivity while reducing manual effort, making it a must-have for professionals. Number 2. Cordless Bag Sewing Machine. The brushless high-speed bag sewing machine is a powerful and versatile tool for outdoor and industrial use. Its brushless motor ensures high efficiency, low maintenance, and smooth operation, making it perfect for sewing sacks quickly and consistently. Cordless design allows freedom of movement, compatible with Makita 18V batteries, sold separately. Lightweight yet durable, it handles heavy-duty sewing tasks with ease. Ideal for agriculture, packaging, and construction work, this automatic secant sack packer combines convenience, speed, and reliability in a compact, user-friendly design. Number 1. Cordless Bag Sewing Machine. The cordless bag sewing machine is a robust and versatile tool, perfect for industrial and agricultural packaging. Powered by a 2200 mAh battery, it delivers reliable performance for sealing jute, grain, and other heavy-duty sacks without the hassle of cords. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use, while the high-speed stitching guarantees efficient, durable seals. Lightweight yet powerful, this machine is ideal for professionals seeking a portable, efficient, and time-saving solution for large-scale bag packaging tasks. Highly recommended. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.